Good evening. My name is Emmanuel. Tonight we are going to present the project for week two. The project is trend analysis from patterns and recognition class. The information acquired for this project is for quick service restaurants, where we need to look for a magazine or a page that has data for different restaurants. I found these ones. There is from MISC Visual Capitalist. It ranks the 50 most popular fast food chains in America. This is where the information came from. There's also very useful information. Then I look for the stock of those different restaurants or quick service uh, restaurants. And after that, I look for the place we are going to be investing. We choose Puerto Rico and do a hazard plan or risk uh, plan analysis for the new investment location. Our project consists into a trend analysis that has been performed in this presentation. The table of contents gives us where is location of this information, introduction, quick services, restaurants, the quick service restaurant stocks analysis, the risk analysis, and the decision process that will be shown. The introduction talks about the market study and the importance of this analysis for the new investment. The group of investors recruit to the BI process, and we need to look for 50 locations. Those 50 locations uh, will be evaluated in sales and stocks. We are going to take a representative 10 restaurants that will be chosen by Puerto Ricans population, the ones that from the location selected, that give us a more accurate decision and more accurate information because we get involved the population. The quick service restaurants are presented, also the information, how we acquire it, the position in the poll. We were able to saw that the most of this information are big chain of companies, but not necessarily the biggest company are the ones that has the more stable stocks, and also the revenues. The higher revenue are not the most stable stocks. Some of it are, some not. The chart represents the this other chart represents the category where it's located. For example, it's just burgers. Is the company is the chicken or other protein? A global that is different or international food, pizza or snacks that includes the coffee, famous coffee, for example, Starbucks. Six categories are chosen. The 10 restaurants presented are divided in these categories. Three are from burgers, one for snacks, two pizza, three chicken, and one global. The stocks are presented and evaluated. We have the findings that in the past months from February to March. There's also a war in Russia, and looking for information, this chains of restaurants also move from those locations. So the revenue, even if they're serving America, has been impacted. If you saw, all of them has a downgrade, but we have also the opportunity to take the media and um, information acquired from it is the stability and the growing of the most of it that give us the opportunity to know which ones has been more stable stocks and comparing with the revenues taking the decision. The risk analysis also in Puerto Rico um, give us the opportunity to know more about the benefits that this country are given to investors. For example, they have a plan in the government where they involve the federal government and different authorities to prevent and also to manage the hazards in the island, including weather and also other hazards that should be impacted as security, um, cybersecurity, and between others. They're also given opportunity and a chart, flow chart that gave the idea and how they will be working on any of these hazards. The hazards that could be impacting. It was a good opportunity to prevent and the plan of actions by risk analysis. For example, they came from the pre-incident through a recovery incident. So they have a timeline that they could um, work with these risks and the hazard plan. The decision process take us to pick McDonald's, Starbucks, and Domino's. There's the most stable stocks on the charts. They're also pretty interesting because each of them represents a different category. So the investors will have the opportunity to experiment with the different categories, and in the future that they will be located in Puerto Rico, they will have the opportunity to compare which are the most acceptable and the ones that most impact the population, the favorite ones. It was a Disney talk that says the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. The summary, we are presenting what is the importance of the patterns and these kind of analysis, um, how they will work and how helpful are for the companies, um, the reference, and thanks for being here with me. Also appreciate your time. The presentation will be showing also the Power BI analysis and all the charts will be attached to this project. I hope you enjoy it all and have fun with it. Thank you. My name is Emmanuel Cruz from Full Sail University.